Every day, over 200,000 people get hacked. So in this video, I will find 7 flags that are hidden across 3 websites. I have never hacked anything before, so this will require me to use all my brain power. I start with 100 aura points. Every time I ask the AI for help, I lose 10 points. If I hit 0, then the robot wins. Tryhackme.com. This challenge revolves around subdomain enumeration. I don't even know what that means, so let's take the other one. Users can enter their username and password for totally secure login process. Yeah, right. You definitely wouldn't be able to find any secrets that other people have in their profile, right? Find the flag on your neighbor's logged in page. So this is what they call a flag. Here we have a URL and copy link. I really don't know what to do. Maybe let's just try admin and admin. Okay, that was incorrect. How to find hidden pages in websites. Okay, so if I paste this site, basicwebguide.com. I'm not a robot. Yeah, and these are the traffic lights. These are the crosswalks. I really hate these games, man. They also make me so cooked. Once I was in these games for like 10 minutes because I kept on pressing the wrong tiles. Bicycles, motorcycles. Yeah, fire hydrants. Yes. Oh my god, how many do I have to do? I mean, this is so fucked. Okay, now something happened. Change to English, please. Okay, I think this is not working. Let's find another way. Well, maybe we can go into the page inspector. Use guest credentials until registration is fixed. So let's try here. Guest and password. Guest and login. All right. Hi, guest. Hi. Welcome to our site. Try not to peep your neighbor's profile. Let's inspect the page to see if something fishy is going on here. No, it's just a simple HTML file. So what could we do? So anything I paste here will be the thing that stands here. So that doesn't mean that I'm logged in as the Witch King. It's just simple text that's copied over. There must be something else we can do here. I'm doing the neighbor task, so tell me a hint. And there goes my first 10 points. Log in with the guest credentials they give you. I have done that. Then look very carefully at the URL in your address bar. Something in it is identifying which user you are viewing. The one profile you want to visit is the admin. So if you write admin here, so copy this, go in here, yeah, and check. Okay, good. Damn, I was so close doing this on my own. That's one flag down, and if you're into this kind of thing, I would be so happy if you would subscribe. Now, on to the video. Make me a website that I can hack. It should be an easy level. So let's take on the next lesson while we wait for this to succeed. Take over, join room, click, start machine lab, kaboom. So this time I've just made a notepad where I have all the information that I need. Let's go to this website. Okay, so the website doesn't work. What if we go to this IP address? Also not found. Maybe I should add this to the ending of the address. Like this? No? What? Okay, are we already cooked? Is this it? Okay, so basically I've asked AI again. I genuinely wanted to do this without AI, but yeah. That's not happening. I have to go to etc. hosts and I have to add this website to this IP address. Okay, so now it is here. Let's see if it works. And it worked. Wow, that's so amazing. Let's view the page source code. Is there anything here I might be able to steal? Okay, I really don't know what to do because there is just this website and that's all. After a little bit of cheating, I actually found out exactly what I have to do. I have to use this FFUF, so it will search all kinds of words to find out what word will go here on this website so it still works. And we got 4 different words here, and now we should be able to go here. And then we get here, advanced, view, certificate, secret help desk. This seems very suspicious. Server not found. Firefox can't connect to the server at. Look what we have here. This is our flag. Copy this one here, go back here, paste the flag. Okay, are you all ready? This has taken me so long to do, and I've also cheated, and I still think it's difficult. Let's check this. And it's correct. This is the app that Claude made. It's called Glitchmart. Start with challenge 1. I am 30 minutes in and I have zero clue what to do. So I'm gonna need a little help here. another 10 gone. Go to login page and try logging in, and it says username admin and then this weird sign and password anything. What? Alright, but I guess this is the first flag. I think I figured out why it works. It's because this text is hidden, but it's actually in front of this. So when I write admin like this, I actually end these two signs to make it say that I am the admin. Give me a hint for flag number 2. Okay, so I'm so lost right now. I have no idea what I'm even doing, so 10 points down the drain. Flag number 2 is on the search page. This is here on the search page, and we have a hint down here. Your search term is written back onto the page exactly as typed. If you can get the browser to run a script, you've got reflected XSS. What? Is this a flag? Was this it? Somehow I managed to get this one, and I have no idea at all how it happened. The next task is this one. The number is not 1, 2, or 3. It's a memorable hacker-ish number. I never would have guessed that one in a million years. -10. What is a hacker-ish number? Sorry, no relevant information was found in your search. Okay, maybe it's 2600. No, maybe it's this 1337. What? I think it's this. Yeah, this is the flag. Cool. Everyday visitors get the role equals guest cookie. How to see cookie. Oh, cookies there. Oh, so here we have a role with the value here. So what if I type the value here and decode? Oh, then it says guest. If I can make this say admin, then I might be in. I write admin and then I say encode. I get this. I copy that. Go in here. Paste it here. Enter. Refresh. And nothing happened. It didn't work. I was so close before. I had to go to the staff and then I got it. I was just in the wrong room. Now we only need one more flag. It's the robot.txt. Yeah, and this one was also pretty hard to find out, so 10 points off. So if I do this and then robot.txt. Oh, I think it's with S. So robots. What is this? Secret backup. Well, let's paste it here. And then there is a flag. Cool. And that was all the flags that Claude made. 7 flags, all found. That was the job. It cost me 60 € to get there, so not exactly clean, but the most important thing is that the robot didn't win and humanity still has a chance.